Now I'm going to insert a active object so that we can look at our next type of movement, which is called the 8 directions movement. Select this, and now we can choose our options here. We can choose the player number that's going to control it. We can choose the directions that this object is allowed to go in. Here we can choose these. Now we can choose initial direction, and then under speed we can choose a speed, acceleration, and deceleration. And then we can also choose if it's moving at start. So let's go to our directions, and we can see that we can uncheck these certain boxes, and then it won't let us move in those directions. If we have them all unselected, it won't move at all. We can select them all quickly by choosing select all here, and we can unselect them all quickly by clicking reset. So let's say we want to allow the user to move this object up and down and left and right, but no diagonal movements. Now we can see we have these movements selected here. So now I'm going to try the movement. Now I can use my arrow keys, and I can move the object in those 4 directions. Now if I can change this to all directions, and now if I test this, then if we hold down 2 arrow keys, it will go in the direction of those 2 combined together. So if we hold down the up and left arrow keys, then it will go left, up, left diagonally. If we hold down the bottom and left, then it will go down and left diagonally. If we hold the up and right arrow keys, it will go up and right diagonally. And if we hold the down and right arrow keys, it will go down and right diagonally. So let's change this speed to 100, and now let's see that now this object moves a lot faster around. Now if we change our acceleration, we'll get faster. We'll get to our full speed at a faster rate. So if we change the acceleration to 100 and then we try our movement, now we're getting faster at a lot faster rate. If we change our deceleration to higher, then after we let off on the arrow keys, then we can see the object is going to stop faster because the deceleration is a lot higher. If we change our deceleration down to 0, then we can see the object is going to slow down it's going to take a while for the object to slow down. Now we have all these options here, and now we can choose run application, and now we can see all of them together. If we move our mouse, we can use our mouse controlled movement. If we use our keyboard, then we can control this object. So I'm going to close the window with Alt F4, and that's all for this type of movement.